Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G42 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to tap on About Phone. Now let's localize the build number, it will be at the very bottom of the list again, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So right now we have to get back to the general settings and enter the system and tap on the developer options. Right here all we have to do is to find the automatic system updates option, which is currently turned off. So simply tap on the switcher. From now on this option is active, which simply means that the device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So be aware, you do not really have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.